In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get 1099 from Airbnb. To begin, open Airbnb and sign in to your host account. Make sure you're using the correct account, especially if you manage more than one listing or have both guest and host access under the same profile. Once you're logged in, go to the top of the page and click your profile picture. From there, open the account section where Airbnb keeps your personal settings, payment information, and tax-related details. Inside your account, look for the taxes option. In some accounts, this may appear as taxes and tax documents, so don't worry if the wording is slightly different. The important thing is to open the section that contains your tax information. After that, go into tax documents. This is where Airbnb stores any tax forms that have been issued to you. Now look through the available documents and check for your 1099 form. Depending on your situation, you may see a Form 1099-K or a Form 1099-NEC. If Airbnb issued one to you, it should appear here in the list of available documents. Once you find it, select the tax year you want to view. This is helpful if you need the current year's form or if you're looking back at a previous filing year. Next, download the 1099 form as a PDF to your device. Saving it as a PDF makes it easy to print, share with a tax professional, or keep as part of your financial records. After downloading it, take a moment to review the information carefully. Check that your personal details are correct and that the earnings shown on the form match what you expect based on your Airbnb activity. It's a good idea to save a copy somewhere secure for your records. You'll want to keep it handy when preparing your tax return, and it may also be useful later if you need to verify your income or reference prior tax documents. If you believe you should have received a 1099, but you don't see one in your account, the final step is to contact Airbnb support. They can help you confirm whether a form was issued and point you in the right direction if something is missing. That's all it takes to find and download your 1099 from Airbnb. Follow these steps carefully, review the form before using it, and keep a saved copy for your tax records.